fresh, delicious and nutritious food, and making delicious sushi at home is now easy with the Sushezi. The Sushezi is a fantastic healthy lunches, impress guests with sensational starters, or simply enjoy beautiful Japanese cuisine at home. To make the perfect sushi every time, all you need is sushi rice, nori sheets, your favourite fillings, and the Sushezi. There is no end to the different meat, fish and vegetables that can be used in your sushi. Once all your ingredients are ready, it's time to start having fun. Open your Sushezi and lightly oil the inside. Pack half a cup of sushi rice into each half of the Sushezi. Wetting your fingers slightly will help stop the rice from sticking to your hands. Lay the plunger rod in the centre of the rice and press down firmly. Repeat for the other half. This will provide a neat, straight groove, allowing room for your favourite ingredients. Place half your ingredients on one side and the remaining ingredients on the other side. Using two hands, carefully yet swiftly close the two halves together. Clip the two latches shut and fit the end cap into the locked position. You will hear a click sound when the cap is locked in place. Turn the plunger rod until the mark on the rod is reached to compress the rice and ingredients. Place your nori sheet glossy side down. Remove the cap and push the plunger rod all the way through, positioning your newly formed sushi roll on the nori sheet. Roll up your sushi on the nori sheet and slightly dampen the end of the nori sheet to stick. Gently roll the sushi on your bench to create a firm, tight sushi roll. To allow the nori sheet to soften, place your sushi roll in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove from fridge, moisten the blade of a sharp knife with water. Slice through, wiping the knife clean and wetting after each cut. You'll become a sushi expert instantly and have your friends and family coming back for more. Make perfect sushi anytime, every time. The best part is that the Sushezi is easy to use and dishwasher safe, so it's easy to clean. Why limit your imagination to sushi ingredients? Why not try alternative uses for the Sushezi unit? It's great for forming cookies and homemade sausage rolls. See what you can come up with. The Sushezi is a must-have in every kitchen and is a great gift idea.